Hello creators, today I will talk about Premiere Pro export settings. Do you know what is the best export setting for you? Well, today I am going to share with you the best export settings for Premiere Pro. You can see I have a footage here. Let's play it. Now what I am going to do, that is I want to export this. So go to export. I'm using Premiere Pro 2022 latest version. So if you using this, you can easily go to export, or if you don't using it, then press Ctrl plus M. For your convenience, I'm showing you the two ways practically. Click on export and here is export setting. Or another way is go to it again and press Ctrl plus M. And here is export setting. Everything is same, just way is different. First of all, give a file name just like me. Next, choose format. Here is many format that you can use. You can check these formats, and here you can see the source details and the output details. So before you export your videos, you need to notice it. Next, we need to choose a preset. Choose high quality 4K. You can notice that our video size is changed. Let's move on. Open this drop down. Choose Full HD 1920 into 1080. Here I suggest you to use the same frame rate as source. Use maximum render quality. Check this box. Time interpolation. Here you can choose frame sampling. Performance. Here if you have any graphics card, you can see an option here, hardware encoding. You can choose that. It can save your times. At profile option, choose high. Level 4.2. Scroll down. Here you get three options: CBR, VBR 1 pass and VBR 2 pass. Here I will choose VBR 1 pass. Increase the target bitrate. It will give you more qualityful video, but it can take more rendering time. Now open audio drop down option. Choose audio format ACC. Audio codec also ACC. Sample bitrate 4800 Hz. Channel stereo. Bitrate 448. Under the general option, you can check this box, because if you check this box, Premiere Pro don't render it twice. That's why it's don't take much time. You can change export location here. Now you can export this video. This is the video that we export. It looks good. Let's compare it with original one. It looks same as the source file. This is for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for never miss an update. See you guys on the next video.